If you're a chiropractor still running an insurance-dependent practice in 2026, I need you to hear this. Reimbursements are down, denials are up, and the average insurance-based practice is working harder than ever just to stay flat. I know this because I've talked to thousands of doctors who are living it right now. Here's what's actually happening. Insurance companies are cutting your codes. Patients who need more than an adjustment are walking out your door and driving straight to a pain clinic down the street. And you're stuck. High volume, low margin, burning out your team, wondering when things are going to actually turn around. The brutal truth? They're not going to turn around on their own. But here's what I've personally watched transform over 100 chiropractic practices across the country. It's not about grinding harder inside a broken model. It's about adding a second practice, a private pay laser pain center, right inside your existing space without starting over, without losing what you've already built. We call it 2 practices, 1 roof. That's exactly what it is.